yet your mind money yet be politics. Yet be politics. Share emergency response. Say akwanhyia si ejato baby anase bibia ye say yemfre fire for yemfre police fancy yemfre ambulance mama share an experience with you me witness say an accident e Virginia accident ni see no na ye cars too we dan you know a cars there yes cars too enya accident no see ye be say 1 minute in term na ambulance gina honom wonim de nti obi amfre you omo wo ambulance a patrol into onenam e na obeto accident no so into yi victims na na wom no na omo bisa omo questions any because na nye serious so say obi da ho nti obisa no some 1 or 2 questions e na omo frɛ 911 mesi manim 3 minutes ama na police vehicles 2 fire tenders 2 na ba bedru accident scene ho wonim de nti a even though say afre police say accident asi no the possibility say bia asemka eja betumi atomu no eye high fire tenders mienu ba ko begina che na ba ko ejina nim eno mo nyina sisi eno mo ba accident scene ho e be assess ka no hwe se bibia ye okay police fo gu ho me say the value nipa life man hunu say oman we no nipa nkwa ehia wom hwe onobo kofi ntia accident onya ye wa che modan wo wuye no wutie ai omo a victims ni bia na ka accident no ho a wo say wan wu at the spot o omunya accident no mo prepare yes say omugu pick up bucket mu ene yes say omugu ye nti omudi mika na ho prepare driver ni di mika so obetu de omadu hospital ntem obo ramp so na nitie pagya bran na san bebo ho obi a wanya accident a wopra no ogu bucket mu ene ye de ne kwayare sabia emergency response ye ambulances ye fire service area na wote krompo no fire tender wo fire service on anya adwuma wote wona de bibia ye politics wo fire tender nya adwuma nti ja to fi a age se ye frɛ baabi a ebibi frɛ ba one na ye bedu na wo dem wo nyina hye tena wona ye politics and enya me first time I meet to kwanya even my first time I meet to kwan no I was so disappointed emergency response say me gina ho na me bo me stem akwasi broni adenti a me say the value nipa life na so nya accident ne yesese ogu abobo yam wonya accident na yesese egu pick up mu wonya accident na obi ka wodi twem ye fa otuma e was who say we are failing ourselves as a country because of politics ye ka sama wonim sa sama e ka no krepa na ye ka so politics nti you are blinded when ye fra ye wo political space na hye wo no na ye nyina ye face the reality say ye wadwuma ye the fact say ye developed country na nkyere say simple nyama wo say ye na ye hunu say ye value nipa life e wo say ye everything within our means say ye be save life na ye wo kwantwa meka ka biem say travel and see ye mpanyi for they know all this they can do it and you mobotom sika ye menu